Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're putting a new alternator on this Jeep Liberty CRD, and this is a little bit different than what you're probably used to seeing. This is the AnchorWorks remanufactured alternator. This Jeep Liberty has been through 4 alternators, 1 from Napa, 3 from O'Reilly, and we're presently on number 5. Based on history, it might not make it that much longer. This is the AnchorWorks experience. Let's get this alternator replaced. I'm pretty excited about this. I have been searching for an alternator that would last for quite a while, and then I seen AnchorWorks here, and look at this. This is the AnchorWorks experience. We got some Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, a couple Jolly Ranchers, huh? A little friendly touch that you don't get at a lot of places, most places. It's like unwrapping a Christmas present when you're an adult. And here it is. So we've got remanufactured by AnchorWorks. It says this unit was supplied by a proud member of Electrical Rebuilders Association, ERA. One of the good things about this, go to idparts.com. You can see that they've got a Litens alternator pulley. This is going to be a much better pulley than came originally on the OEMs. They had a lot of problems. And it's going to be a much better pulley than comes on the new remanufactured ones. And I don't think they even make new anymore. I think you're going remanufactured no matter what. So I was definitely looking at this one. I'll put the price down in the description below. Now, is this alternator working? Absolutely it's working. It's probably been on for about 8,000 miles. Not quite that much. Here's some AnchorWorks info. You can find them on eBay, Instagram, or FaceSpace. Then right there. They are also your European car specialist. We're gonna put this on the toolbox. If you're here just for the alternator install, get an EverTough serpentine belt tensioner tool that you're going to need. You're probably going to at least want it. 67061. And I got this from O'Reilly Auto Parts. First thing I'm going to do is just loosen up the tension on this belt. Comes right off. I'm just going to let the belt just kind of sit right there. Let's get our negative battery cable disconnected. Put that out of the way so it doesn't come back up on us. Now's a good time to check for any corrosion. There's a little bit actually on this side here. Kind of interesting, so clean that off just a little bit. We've got a 12 holding our connection on for the alternator. And then you've got 3 bolts. Nothing too fancy or special. One little connector right here. You've got 2 13s right here. 1, 2. This plate comes off the front. This just holds on your engine cover. I took the engine cover off, by the way, just because I've been working on this. It's sitting right behind me. Those 2 bolts are the same. Now you've got 1 15mm bolt right there. You don't have to remove this whole plate. Sometimes it helps to loosen these 2 up, just so you can squeeze this back in there when you're going to install it. Hey, Crystal. What you doing? As you're loosening this up, don't let your alternator fall into the rad. Swings on out. Remember, this is a 15 compared to 13. I am just going to loosen up these 2 13s back here a little bit. Doesn't have to be much. Definitely helps. Now it should come out. There it is. So this is going to be your O'Reilly with a limited lifetime warranty. I'll tell you, they do honor their warranty. I wish they didn't go out as much, but honestly, when you buy your parts at O'Reilly, you're going to get stuff covered under warranty, which is excellent. Thanks, O'Reilly. All right, and we're going with the new remanufactured, I should say, AnchorWorks alternator. And I believe this is going to go very well. As far as the alternator lasting, I'll put the type of warranty that it has down below. I don't remember at the moment. I feel like it's 10-year warranty. If it lasts 10 years, I'd rather have that than having an alternator that goes out every 10,000 miles. We're heading on to Rapid City, to the Black Hills. We're going to stay in a cabin, and that's going to be one day. And then the next day, we're going to head off to Wyoming. And I can't remember what we're going to see first in Wyoming. but we're definitely going to be heading up to Beartooth Highway. So we want the Liberty here to be in as best of shape as possible to prevent any breakdowns, hopefully. We're praying about it. You guys going on any vacations lately? Where do you guys go? I'm asking because I actually am curious. What's a good place to go vacationing in the US of A? US and A? Electrical connection going back on. So 12. Grab that real quick. There it is. And cover, that's good. Clean up your engine bay, looks good. Now we're gonna reach down, just gonna grab the belt that was sitting down there and make sure it's lined up as good as it can be, which should be lined up. Don't skimp out on it. Need a light. I think we're good. Put our serpentine belt tool away. Everything looks good. So I'm gonna fire it up, and then I'm just gonna make sure the alignment on the belt still looks good. Make sure we got charging action. Great, Crystal. Oh, gotta put the battery on. Okay, here we go. Tight, 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 tight. Good. All right, we're good to go. Hi, Cat. Well, guys and gals, that's gonna do it. No matter what you're working on, small stuff also adds up to big stuff. This is a small thing for a lot of people, but it's also a big thing for a lot of people, those who haven't done it before. So if you've got an alternator for a Jeep CRD or something else, do some online research, get some videos, how-tos, and you can go pick up the part in the store with a limited lifetime warranty most likely. And then you can put it on so you save on labor. Then if it ever goes bad in the future, you know how to take it off, go get another part for free, and put it back on. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. AnchorWorks, thank you so much for selling us this reman alternator. We really appreciate it. Take care, everyone, from our garage to yours. We're gonna go on a trip tomorrow. Hope we make it. All right, bye-bye.